So hi everyone, it's me Parsaja again, and for today's video is another day, and this is during summer, and kasama ko dito si Nick John and kanyang roommate na si Gabriel. So nakakamiss guys during summer kasi dito lang makikita yung mga bata na excited silang maglaro sa labas, diba? So nakaka proud tingnan and masaya na hindi lang sila yung masaya but as parents is masaya rin kasi, makita mo na ang ano nila, ang sigla-sigla kapagka, summer. So, again, ito is practicing pa nga din 'tong maglakad 'no, hindi pa 'to magaling maglakad yung aking anak. And then, so far, thankful kasi ngayon blessed na 'no. So again, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much everyone and ingat.